Hi everyone. As we all know that the food that we eat greatly determines our overall health. Let me share with you all today the top 3 best food categories which are essential for your teeth and skin health. The first category is the food that contain calcium. For example, almonds, milk, green leafy vegetables, fruits like kiwis and papayas, and for people who are lactose intolerant can go in for almond milk or soya milk. All these are rich sources of calcium. Teeth and bone, they require calcium, otherwise they would not be strong. Similarly, our skin functions are regulated by the intake of calcium. Also, new skin cells are regenerated because of calcium to make the skin look more youthful and glowing. Calcium deficiency can also lead to hair thinning and hair loss. The next very important food category is the one that contains vitamin D, or we also call it as the natural sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D containing foods are very essential for our overall health. Example, all sorts of fish generally contain vitamin D. Mushrooms are a good source of vitamin D again, and also egg yolks. Vitamin D is very important for the mineral density in our body. Also, it helps to carry and deposit the calcium to our bones, especially to the bone that surrounds the teeth, to make it more stronger to hold the teeth in position. Deficiency of vitamin D can lead to our bones being weak. Also, the deficiency of vitamin D can lead to acne. So yes, there is a direct correlation between acne and vitamin D. It is also essential for your skin cell growth and repair. Vitamin D also helps to destroy the free radicals that may cause premature aging in your skin. The next are the foods that contain high water content and vitamin C. Example, apples, pears, cucumbers, tomatoes, watermelon. All these high water content food help to regulate and stimulate the flow of saliva in the mouth. If we have dry mouth, it is more prone to teeth decay and cavities. So the saliva stimulation helps to keep the cavities away. And for skin, they help to keep our skin glowing and hydrated. Foods that are rich in vitamin C like apples and cucumbers help to stimulate and build up collagen for a youthful skin. So these were the top 3 food categories which are not only important and essential for your teeth or for your skin, it is very important for your overall health. So try to include at least 2 to 3 foods from these categories in your daily food intake.